We so Africa, move them hips like Bambada. The weed is passing and you can hit it if you want it.
Yo, what's going on, guys? A whole grand evening. I would love to present to you a really awesome special event that we got going on February 28th. It is our Planted Alchemist Community Garden Free Seed Exchange, second annual. We did one last year, it was amazing. This year we're bringing it back. It is a free community event. It is a no substance event as well. It's children friendly. We have tons of prizes, free seeds for everybody, over 100 varieties and over 300 packets of seeds. Come on out, you're gonna love it. Shout out to all the great families and sponsors and the seed families that got to help us out for this event. We're gonna have all the information in the bottom. Yeah, send in y'all love and check it out. Check this video out.
If you wanted my love, if you wanted my love. Granted, we known each other for some time. It don't take a whole day to recognize sunshine. I'm like the rain in the summer, so we go together. At first you tried to play me out, I had to show you better. Better late than never, but I'm always on time. And that shit is of an essence, baby, please don't waste mine. Don't you put me to the wayside, back behind the baseline without no fucking playtime. I stress that shit again, don't you waste mine. So baby, can you boogie till we see the sun? Let's make it happen. Shit at 8 AM, I gotta run. But before I go, you'll be begging me to stay a while. Life of a rapper, back on road when I lay you down. So let's make it last like a Keith Sweat track. Brown skin, lil nigga, but my heart jet black, and we so Africa. Word to the motherland. I'm knowing you got other plans, but Papa was a Rolling Stone. I'm headed to another land. We got another one, P. So Africa. We 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 so Africa. Let me hear it.
To save the world, it's G1 to the rescue.
Look to the sky when I lack faith. Hella smoke in my back cave. Tell myself breathing fat apes. Me, myself, we in our last days. Who's gonna save me? I'm barely out that stage where I hate me. And there's so much more room to grow now. Feel like every poetically positive pronoun. Enunciate the spirit till you feel it. Know you love it when I speak clearly. If you love God, you gon' feel me. All this poetry, nigga. Carry it safely in your house like some groceries, nigga. Food for life, hear him sing it like it's Jodeci, nigga. Okay, we stuck up in the past, and it shows in how we act. When you start to get upset, but then you claim that you ain't mad. And when you go to write a text, every word is all in caps. Connection, it starts to lag. My reflection gets hard.